In this video, you will learn how to make your husband happy and love you more. You also learn how to keep him happy if you stick with me till the end of the video. If this is your first time here, this is Think Marriage, where we showcase what works in marriage and relationships to help you reach your relationship goals to enjoy life to the max. Making your husband happy is not rocket science. Rather, it is a decision you can make. Yes, you can decide to make your husband happy. So the very first step is you decide. 2. People are different, but basically every man loves to be respected by his wife. Respect him publicly and privately. Respect his opinions, respect his choices. Allow him to have the final say in issues of conflict without feeling downtrodden. 3. Submit to him. A lot of women fight this issue of submission these days. Of course, there's the feminist equal rights movements all around, but one thing is sure: if you are negatively feminist minded, you don't need to marry a man, because there will always be issues of conflict when he tries to exert his God-given authority in the home. Sorry, we didn't create marriage. God did, and he wrote in the Bible how to make marriage work. If you turn it upside down, you will continually have troubles. Papa God said a wife should submit to her husband. Submission is not subservience. Some women have missed it here. They have this slave master fear and trembling attitude towards their husband. No, that's not acceptable either. Your husband is happy when he knows you chose to drop your position or point to adopt his. He is happy when he knows you purposely let him take the lead in the matters. Submission doesn't mean you are opinionless. It doesn't mean you are a dummy. It only means you chose to defer to him. It doesn't mean you are spineless. He leads your family like a king or president leads a nation. The buck starts at his desk. Yes, it stops at his desk. You follow his lead. Allow him be the head that God created him to be. By head here, he is the foundation carrying the entire family. Please understand this. May nothing happen to your foundation. He will be happy and shower you with love beyond your imagination if you let him, support him, be what God programmed him to be, a good foundation. The easiest way to bring down a house is to crack the foundation. Be wise here. 4. Build proper spiritual, mental, financial, social, and emotional capacity. Build up yourself as a woman. Your husband would be happy and love you more when he sees you are building up yourself daily, acquiring better skills, improving in different areas, and able to stand out and stand tall in different areas of engagement. You make him proud and happy. One vital key to be able to achieve this is to be a voracious reader of great books written by great men and women. 5. Be a star in your chosen career, and at home lead the kids by example. 6. Let him understand how much you appreciate and trust him to lead you and the family. Don't ever try to change him. You are not his mother. You are his wife. Being a good husband is challenging enough. 8. Never correct him in public. Never. If the fact he presented to a guest or friend is not correct, don't try to correct him there. Let him be. Let it be. For instance, he may say it happened in a white car on 77th Street. Meanwhile, you know it happened in a red car on 77th Street. Leave it at what he said. Do not correct him in public. You may point it out to him later when alone with him. Number 9, be his greatest cheerleader. Celebrate his wins. Let him know how proud of him you are. 10, be happy and prudent in handling matters and money. 11, make your home peaceful. 12, pray for him and with him. Let him hear you say, Father, thank you for my husband that's been such a wonderful husband to me and friend and lover. Thank you for making him a wonderful father of our kids. We are glad you now know how to make your husband happy. Be sure he will be happy and love you more if you add action to your knowledge. Please leave your comments below and like and share this video. Also click the subscribe button to know when next Think Marriage uploads another power-packed video like this one. Thank you. See you at another video. Goodbye.